Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide chats on Messenger. It's actually really easy to do. You just have to open up your Facebook Messenger application. Once you are open on your Facebook Messenger application, you can see all your chats here. All you want to do is swipe from the right to the left and on the chat that you want to hide. So let's just say if I want to hide this chat right here, I'll swipe from the right to the left and then click on the three lines that you see right there. And then you will see an option to hide. So you just click on hide and that will remove that from the chat. Now, if you wanted to unhide that chat and get it back, all you have to do is search at the very top, search for the person that you hid, click on the account and just send a message, and then it will reappear in your chats. Really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to hide your chats on Facebook Messenger. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.